Decentralized finance stands as one of the most transformative pillars of the modern digital economy, and at the very heart of this movement lies Uniswap. To understand the significance of this protocol, one must look past the superficial layer of market volatility and recognize the fundamental innovation it introduced to how assets are exchanged. Before Uniswap, the concept of a decentralized exchange was largely theoretical or hindered by cumbersome order books that struggled to find sufficient liquidity. Uniswap revolutionized this landscape by pioneering the automated market maker model, a mechanism that forever changed the way liquidity is provided and utilized on a public blockchain. Unlike traditional financial exchanges that rely on intermediaries to match buyers and sellers, Uniswap operates entirely on open source code governed by smart contracts. This means that instead of relying on a centralized authority to facilitate a trade, users interact directly with liquidity pools. These pools are essentially massive reserves of tokens locked into smart contracts by participants known as liquidity providers. In exchange for supplying these tokens, providers earn a portion of the trading fees generated by the protocol. This creates a self-sustaining ecosystem where liquidity is democratized, allowing anyone, anywhere in the world, to participate as a market maker without needing permission from a bank or a centralized institution. The core technical architecture of Uniswap utilizes a constant product formula. This mathematical equation ensures that the ratio of tokens in a pool remains balanced, allowing for seamless trading at any time without the need for a traditional order book. This elegant solution solved one of the most persistent problems in early decentralized finance, which was the lack of efficient price discovery and the scarcity of available assets. By removing the friction of a middleman, Uniswap provides a permissionless environment where any digital asset adhering to the standard token interface can be listed and traded, provided there is enough initial liquidity to support the market. Beyond its technical mechanics, Uniswap represents a shift toward true financial sovereignty. It serves as a foundational layer upon which countless other decentralized applications are built. Because its code is modular and publicly verifiable, developers can integrate Uniswap's functionality into their own projects, fostering a web of interconnected financial services that function without borders. The governance structure further reinforces this vision, allowing the community to vote on protocol upgrades and influence the future direction of the platform. As the digital asset space continues to evolve, the necessity for efficient, transparent, and non-custodial trading platforms remains paramount. Uniswap has proven that complex financial services can be automated, secure, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. By stripping away the layers of bureaucracy that characterize legacy finance, the protocol has established a new standard for how value is exchanged in a digital era. Whether you view it as a liquidity protocol or as an essential infrastructure piece of the global blockchain network, Uniswap remains a definitive example of how decentralized technology can simplify and improve the global movement of capital.